Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you verify your Weebly website for the Bing Webmaster tool? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to verify your Weebly website in Bing Webmaster tool anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to link your website to Bing Webmaster so you can gather important information about your users. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you have to have the Bing Webmaster verification HTML tag. If you need help finding that in your Bing Webmaster tool, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have that copy to your clipboard, you're going to come back in here to your Weebly dashboard. And up here on the top left, you're going to click on the downward arrow, and you're going to choose the website that you want to connect to Bing Webmaster. So I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, click on Tracking Tools. Once you click on Tracking Tools, look for this line right here, Bing Verification. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just paste in the meta tag that you got from Bing. And once it's pasted in, there's not like a save button. It just automatically saves. If you want to verify it, you can click out to Overview and then click back into Tracking Tool. Once you have it pasted in there, then you're going to go back to your Bing Webmaster tool and ask them to go ahead and send the verification to your Weebly website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to verify your Weebly website with Bing Webmaster tool, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.